Hello, namaste, welcome to my channel. This is Coding One series. My name is Suraj Sharma. In this video, I'll show you how to change the name of a lot of files within seconds using Python code. Here we can see in the test folder we have 215 items. These all are pictures with .jpg file extension. So let us first open VS Code. You can use any IDE software. So first of all, create new file and save it with the file extension .py. So I will rename .py. So .py is a file extension for the Python code. So save it. Now first of all we need to import OS module. Here OS module is inbuilt, so you need to download from anywhere. Import OS. Now change the current directory to the test folder. So writing path equals to os.chdr. Now copy the location of the test folder, single click here, Control C, go to VS Code, Control V. We have to write a double backslash here, so writing double backslash, and now we close it. Now we have to give the files with a name pic1, pic2, so I will declare a variable and initialize it with 1. Now iterate with for loop for files. Here file is the name of the file, which is nothing but these are the names. We'll take it as file, and file in os.listdir. Here the code will run until all the files are executed for. So giving path as same test folder. Now colon. Now writing the destination file as dst equals to, and the writing format, rename it with pic semicolon. Here semicolon will replace with the 1 2 3 4 and so on. And .jpg, we have to give the file extension, otherwise the file may not work. So dot format, here the format will replace the value of I with this semicolon. Now go to next line. Now change with os dot rename the source file, which is file, and the destination file, which is dst. Here dst is the name, new name. Now increment the variable I plus equals to 1. So this is the code. Save it. Let us first check the folder. Here we have different names. Close it first, then run the code with Python file. Now the code is ready. Since there are 215 files, so it will take a bit time, but not long. Okay, the code has run successfully. We have no errors. Let's go to test folder and check. Here we have changed the name, all 215 with pic1, pic2, pic3, and so on to up to 215. So this was the code, and that's how you do it. Thank you.